Hi everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to batch uninstall multiple applications using Bulk Crap Uninstaller in 2026. First, open Bulk Crap Uninstaller and wait for it to finish scanning all installed applications. Once the list appears, hold the Control key and click each application you want to remove. You can also use Shift to select a range of applications if needed. After selecting the apps, click the Uninstall button at the top. The Batch Uninstall wizard will open. If you want the process to be faster, enable the Automatically Uninstall option, then click Continue to begin. Bulk Crap Uninstaller will launch the uninstall process for each selected application one by one. Follow any prompts that appear by clicking Yes, Next, or Uninstall when required. When all selected applications have been removed, Bulk Crap Uninstaller will scan for leftover files, folders, and registry entries. If any leftovers are found, review them and click Delete Selected or Remove to clean your system completely. That's it. You have successfully batch uninstalled multiple applications using Bulk Crap Uninstaller. Thanks for watching.